Weeknights. We get you, and you get it. On a busy weeknight, you're looking for a recipe that's fast and easy to make for the entire family. I'm told this one-pot pasta meal is it. It's loaded with nutrients, and it's quick to pull off. It will quickly become a dinner staple. Suzy Bunker is here to share the recipe. That just looks like health on a plate. I feel good about that.
It's hidden. It's all hidden from the kids.
They'll never know.
They will never know. Literally last night when I was making it, I was like, oh, hurry, blend it all before they see.
Look away.
Because I have a couple with some texture issues and like, you know. But if they don't know, they love this dish.
Okay.
And they don't know.
So we're starting with marinara sauce, but you just don't leave it alone.
Nope. So you just throw that in the blender and then look at all these veggies. We're going to get in a whole zucchini.
You're putting it in the sauce?
Yes. We're going to blend it up.
Okay.
So the whole zucchini, a whole little squash, we've got bell pepper and a half of an onion.
Okay.
So all of this goes in the sauce.
Wow.
And then you can saute in your pressure cooker a little bit of meat if you want, but we're going to add protein with cottage cheese.
Cottage cheese. Are you giggling like I am that it's come back again as like this trendy food?
It is a trendy food, but we can blend it in and add some protein without having to add meat, because some kids don't like meat. And then we just got salt, Italian seasonings, and some red pepper. And then a carrot too. So look at that. Our blender is full, and we've also got a tablespoon of some chopped garlic. So this is
no jarred marinara for this lady.
No,
She's gonna
baby. We're gonna get those veggies in. Okay, we're just gonna blend that really quick.
And this blender we salute.
All right, so we just blend that up, and it's you can go all the way if you don't want any chunk in it, but it can be there too. So we've got our pressure cooker now, and all we do is put in 2.5 cups of water, and then you add your pasta. So I'm just going to do some penne pasta, but I do have a couple different options. They have like sweet potato noodles and chickpea noodles, so there's gluten-free options that also have a little bit more protein. But a little tip on buying pasta: if you buy the pasta that says made in Italy, then it doesn't have the glyphosate and stuff. So quick, simple swap is just buy pasta that says made in Italy. And it's at any grocery store. Walmart, anywhere you can find that. So that's your one tip for pasta.
Sauce goes right in?
Sauce goes right in. So all of this, look at that. You don't know there's one vegetable in there. But we need those vegetables for vitamins and minerals and fiber, right? So then I just stir this. Now get this, Brooke. You're going to put on the lid, 5 minutes high pressure cook. That's it.
Stop it.
Swear.
Stop it.
And so I know you're scared of the pressure cooker, but it's not scary.
She was acting as my friend / therapist during the commercial break. I don't know why I'm so nervous.
No, you just have to make sure it's sealed, and then you just go seal, and then high pressure 5 minutes.
Okay.
Then when it's done, this is my air fry lid, so this is why you're like, what's this contraption going on here? So once it's done, then I just throw in my mozzarella and my Parmesan. You could do no cheese if you're a no dairy family. Well, then you'd have to leave out the cottage cheese as well. But we just add in that cheese and stir it around. If your kids would go for greens, I chop up spinach and throw it in there too. But you know, if you're trying to go for the hidden veggie.
Well, not to step back to the sauce, but since that is kind of the star, it's neat to think you can sort of empty the fridge with this sauce, right? Like whatever you have left over, or that hangover
mushrooms,
zucchini.
Yeah, when they're starting to shrivel up and die, the RIP drawer, rest in peace, the veggie drawer.
There you go. Give them new life.
Yes.
Give them new life.
Blend them up into a sauce.
And your approach with dinner is just that, trying to sneak in as much protein, as much health, choosing ingredients, simple swaps that will allow the ingredients to just be as pure as they can.
Yes, whole foods. The key to a good, healthy life, just real food.
Thank you for this quick and easy dinner. It looks delicious. A side salad to finish us off. This recipe will be available for you, on our website. And you have classes, Suzy, that you offer to help people along this dinner time struggle.
I do. I have online virtual classes so people can take it from anywhere. It's called Whole Foods for Life. I'm all about just getting people back to real food and learning how to enjoy time in the kitchen again, connecting with their family, getting the kids involved. It's just a lot of fun. So
where do we find you?
LearnToCookHealthy.com or Cook Healthy with Suzy on Instagram.
Okay, we'll meet you there. Thank you for the good idea.